All right, let's take a look at number 1e. It says the function of f of x is this, has turning points at -1 and positive 3, and we've got to find the values of a, b, and c. Now, this one here is nice and straightforward because all we have to do is find the gradient function of that, make it equal to 0, and when that equals 0, we've got two possible values. Either x is -1 or x is going to be 3. So let's have a look and see how that plays out. So here's the gradient function first of all. So f of prime of x is equal to, and it's going to be 3x squared plus 2ax plus b. Now we're going to be putting a couple of things into that. The first thing is we're going to be taking this -1. Yeah. So we know this is going to be a 0. So we're going to put the -1 in, and we're going to be able to see what a and b have become. So it's going to be 3 times -1 squared plus 2 times a times -1 plus b, which means that the 0 is going to equal, well, this is going to be 3, so it's going to be 3 plus, or 3 minus 2a, really, I should say, plus b. So there's one equation. Let's do the same thing again, but this time we're going to find, so I'll just keep that one there. I'm going to go f of x, but f of this time of 3. F prime 3 is equal to, actually we know this is 0, so let's keep that as being a 0, yeah? We might as well do that. So this is 0 again, so it's going to equal 3 times 3 squared plus 2a times 3 plus b, which is 27 plus 3 is 6. Is that a minus? No, it's not minus. 6a plus b. All right. So these are our two equations. Now, but because this thing here and this thing here both equal 0, it means that this thing here equals this thing here. Therefore, I can say 27 plus 6a plus b is equal to 3 minus 2a plus b. So let's solve for, what are we going to solve for? Well, actually, b's disappear now. B and b, we can subtract b from both sides. There it is. I'll put all the unknowns on the right-hand side, actually. So let's rewrite this. It's going to be 3 minus 2a is equal to 27 plus 6a. And I'm going to subtract 6a from both sides. Subtract 6a. And I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. So now I'm going to end up with 2a, 6a is going to be -8a is equal to 27 minus 3 is going to be 24. Divide both sides by -8. I'm left with a, and a is going to equal 3 goes into that, -3 times. So a is going to equal -3. That's our first solution. Now we're going to find b. Well, finding b is going to be a piece of cake now, because all we have to do is feed the a value into one of these. Well, let's feed it into this one here. I've got 0 is equal to 3 minus 2a plus b. There it is. Let's make a minus 3. So 0 is equal to 3 minus 2 times -3 plus b. Well, that's going to be 0 is equal to, well, I've got 3, well, 2 times, let's have a look. All right, 2 times 3 is going to be 6. Yeah, 2 3s are 6, both positive, and let's go 6. And we've got a 6 and we've got a 3. Well, 6 and 3 is going to be 9 plus b is equal to 0. So therefore b must equal -9. There it is. So we've got a is equal to -3, and we've got b is equal to -9. And that should do it. That's all we have to do.